Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a very interesting composition. Here, at first, we will complete the uh, gesture drawing with very lightly. Friends, here's brother and sisters are collecting fees. They are fishing and you know how they are fishing, how they are enjoying the situation. Just we can enjoy this drawing. Okay, friends, see, at first we'll draw the lady. See the lady. When you draw the lady, if we want, you can draw a balance line. Okay, friends, see, if we follow balance line properly, then it will be easy to draw her drawing. Okay, and when you draw her drawing, at that time try to follow the gap from the balance line. Okay, and see, in this way we have to complete the lady, and after completing her drawing, we can go another drawing. So at first we have to complete her drawing properly, and here I am using black pen, but I'm suggesting you that at first try to complete the gesture with pencil drawing. After that you can use black pen, black sketch pen, anything. Okay, so friends, see, almost our the lady is completed, and now we have to complete another figure, or we have to start another figure. At first try to complete her drawing properly, then we can start the another figure. See, when you will draw another figure, here also we can use balance line. Okay, so friends, see, in this way we have to complete also this figure, and see, both are too much enjoying, both are playing, both are collecting fees. So this is the subject, and if you feel this subject, you can draw this one very easily. Okay, so see the composition here. Just we have to complete the drawing. Here I am not showing the color, and here we'll learn only drawing figure composition. Okay, after completing this figure, we can go background also. See, if you want, you can add something, you can change something, but at first try to draw this one properly. Okay, and I told so many times that if you need any help, you can contact with me, and I suggest you that don't draw a drawing single time. If you want to learn this subject properly, so you should try this one again and again. And if you love this video, please don't forget to share with your friends, with your relatives. Okay, and if you need any help, please contact with us. Bye.